The code 24 error message in Vauxhall and Opel vehicles means the registration light fault. This is the license plate light. The license plate light is only located in the rear license plate. In the front license plate you don't have any light, so this is the only one single light that may cause this code 24. And in older Vauxhall vehicles you just can take a screwdriver, unscrew this panel, take it out and replace the bulb. In newer Vauxhall vehicles you just can take this whole panel with the light out and replace the light on your own. This is a DIY task. Now the problem is that even if the light works, so you get this code 24, you go out of the car and you see that the light works, you will still need to replace the light bulb because the problem may be intermittent, but you will get this code from time to time and it will bother you all the time. So of course you will need to replace that light bulb. Maybe cleaning the contacts will help, but actually the light bulb doesn't cost that much money and you may just replace it and fix this problem for quite a long time.